This is your Horizon Hobby Retro Bracket number 2. On the line we have Ben with Excalibur and Mark with Unnamed. Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Alright, drivers ready? Watch the light. Alright, there we go. That's a good start this time. Nice even race so far. It's over the crush car stack. Here comes that to it. And he got it. Excalibur. Higher. Alright, let's open our cameras ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Ooh, wheel stand for the Blue Thunder. Right there together. Wheel stand up over the crush car stack. And Blue Thunder sending it over the t-shirt ramp. This Mad Max is right there with them. They're like, we're selling some t-shirts today. And back into his spot. Getting nice and squared away. Cameras are ready. Alright, drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Oh, big jump. We're right up into H.A.Y had a bit of a weird start. Williams is going to move on to on that race. Oh, big sin for this big fight. Alright, cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Take the win. All right, on the line, we've got Mike with Goliath versus Ben and Excalibur. Cameras ready, drivers ready, watch the light. Let's cut these two trucks here. Let's back on now. And Excalibur taking over the big jump. All the retros taking risks today. Looks like you got everything now. Alright. The gremlins are out today. Alright. Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Alright, good punch of the wheels. For Excalibur. Keep on behind here a little bit. Excalibur. Over the picture. Man, you guys are rough on those retros today. That will set your final. We've got Ben and Excalibur versus Sam and T. Williams. Alright. This is your Horizon Hobby Retro Bracket 2 final. We have Ben and Excalibur taking on Sam and T. Williams. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Big blue stand for Excalibur. He can use the advantage here. Nice good up here. And Excalibur takes out Team Williams.